Mountain of Roses, everyone. So this is my video about 5-minute DIY. Today I have two glasses of water. This is hot and this is cold. And I have also a rock salt here. So in my experiment, I will put rock salt on a hot water, and also I will put rock salt on the cold water. And let's test which one dissolves faster. Is it in the hot water or in the cold water? Let's mix it. The salt dissolves faster in the hot solution. I can no longer see a rock salt. How about in the cold solution? The rock salt is no longer visible. That's all.